Morning everyone, I am reading chapter number 1, The Animals. Who are you? My name is Dan, said the dog. My name is Peg, said the pig. Who are you? My name is Corn, said the cat. My name is Hannah, said the hen. You are a dog I like, said Peg the pig. You are a cat I like, said Hannah the hen. Who can roll, said Dan the dog. I can roll in the mud. Very well, said Peg the pig. Peg was wet. Who can jump, said Peg the pig. I can jump very well, said Dan the dog. Dan was hot. Who can peck, said Corn the cat. I can peck food very well, said Hannah the hen. Hannah was old. Who can sit still, said Hannah the hen. I can sit very still, said Corn the cat. Corn was cool. You can roll very well, said Dan the dog to Peg the pig. Dan, you are very fit. You can jump on the log, said Peg the